Comprehensive pest analysis for healthcare and financial sectors. Welcome back to Borak Solutions channel. Today, we're going to dive into a comprehensive pest analysis for two critical industries, healthcare and financial. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking to sharpen their business analysis skills, this video will provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide on how to perform a pest analysis. Let's get started! Pest analysis for healthcare and financial sectors. First, let's quickly understand what a pest analysis is. PEST stands for political, economic, social, and technological factors. It's a strategic tool used to understand the macro-environmental factors that could impact an industry or organization. Now let's break it down for the healthcare and financial sectors. First use case, healthcare sector. Section 1, political factors. Starting with political factors, these are government policies, regulations, and political stability issues that can affect the healthcare sector. 1. Healthcare regulations. Strict healthcare regulations and policies can impact operations and costs for healthcare providers. 2. Government funding. Changes in government funding for healthcare programs can affect service availability and quality. 3. Public health policies. Policies related to public health initiatives, such as vaccination programs and pandemic responses, play a crucial role. 4. Political stability. Political stability influences the overall investment climate and long-term planning in the healthcare sector. Section 2, economic factors. Next, we look at economic factors, which include the overall economic conditions and trends that can impact the healthcare industry. 1. Economic growth. The economic growth rate affects public and private spending on healthcare services. 2. Healthcare costs. Rising costs of healthcare services and treatments impact affordability and access. 3. Insurance coverage. Economic conditions influence the availability and affordability of health insurance coverage. 4. Funding for research. Economic conditions can affect the level of funding available for healthcare research and innovation. Section 3. Social factors. Social factors include demographic trends, social attitudes, and cultural aspects that affect the healthcare sector. 1. Aging population. An aging population increases demand for healthcare services and long-term care. 2. Health awareness. Rising health awareness leads to higher demand for preventive care and wellness programs. 3. Cultural attitudes. Cultural attitudes towards healthcare can influence the types of services that are in demand. 4. Lifestyle changes. Changes in lifestyle and diet patterns can impact public health and healthcare needs. Section 4. Technological factors. Finally, technological factors include innovations and technological advancements that impact the healthcare sector. 1. Medical technology. Advancements in medical technology improve diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. 2. Telemedicine. The growth of telemedicine expands access to healthcare services, especially in remote areas. 3. Electronic health records, EHR. The adoption of EHR systems enhances data management and patient care. 4. AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning technologies are revolutionizing healthcare through predictive analytics and personalized medicine. Second use case, financial sector. Section 1, political factors. Now let's move on to the financial sector, starting with political factors. 1. Financial regulations. Stringent financial regulations can impact banking operations and compliance costs. Tax policies. Changes in tax policies can affect profitability and investment strategies for financial institutions. 3. Political stability. Political stability influences investor confidence and the overall financial market environment. 4. Trade policies. International trade policies and agreements can impact cross-border financial transactions. Section 2. Economic factors. Economic factors are critical in the financial sector as they directly impact market performance and investment decisions. 1. Economic growth. Economic growth rates influence lending, investment, and consumer spending. 2. Interest rates. Changes in interest rates affect borrowing costs, savings rates, and investment returns. 3. Inflation rates. Inflation rates impact the purchasing power and profitability of financial assets. 4. Market volatility. Economic stability and market volatility affect investment strategies and risk management. Section 3. Social factors. Social factors in the financial sector include demographic trends and social attitudes towards finance and investment. 1. Financial literacy. Increasing financial literacy leads to better investment decisions and financial planning. 2. Consumer behavior changes in consumer behavior impact demand for financial products and services. 3. Demographic shifts. Demographic shifts, such as aging populations, affect retirement planning and pension funds. 4. Cultural attitudes. Cultural attitudes towards saving and investing can influence financial market trends. Section 4. Technological factors. Technological factors include innovations and technological advancements that shape the financial sector. 1. Fintech innovations. Fintech innovations are transforming traditional banking through digital platforms and services. 2. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology enhances security and transparency in financial transactions. 3. Artificial intelligence, AI, is used for predictive analytics, risk management, and personalized financial services. 4. Cybersecurity. Advances in cybersecurity are crucial to protecting financial data and transactions. Challenges and structured approach. Performing a PEST analysis can come with its challenges. Here's how to tackle them effectively. Challenge 1. Data collection and analysis. 1. Use reliable sources such as government reports, industry publications, and market research. 1. Ensure data validation before analysis. Challenge 2. Identifying key factors. 1. Focus on factors with significant impact on the industry. 1. Prioritize those that align with strategic objectives. Challenge 3. Presenting your findings. 1. Communicate your findings clearly and concisely. 1. Use visual aids like charts and graphs. 1. Practice your presentation skills. Remember to always define the problem clearly. Gather necessary data. Analyze the problem using PEST. Develop practical solutions and communicate your findings effectively. That wraps up our comprehensive PEST analysis for the healthcare and financial sectors. I hope this guide helps you understand how to perform a PEST analysis and apply it to your own business scenarios. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.